Okay, I'm going to run backwards. Excellent. Hi guys, bit of an impulse buy here in Poundland, looking at their Halloween stuff. Googly eye mask, £2. Bit more than I like to spend. I was looking at it, it's quite a stiff plastic. So I was thinking rubber band powered car, of course. So yeah, couple of holes either end for axles to go through. Quite a while ago, I 3D printed these wheels just for the fun of it. And I thought that might actually work quite well. Give him legs, wheels. So that's the plan. I'll mark it out, drill some holes through, and see if we can run it with these as wheels. It's quite short, so I don't know what sort of distance we'll get with the rubber band that short length, but we'll give it a try. I did think to try and get the front and back axle parallel, I could use this book just to put a little mark there and there, there and there, because that should keep them parallel, if you see what I mean. So that's what I'll do. I'll use that just to give us the angle. We need to leave space at the back here to get my fingers in to wrap up the rubber band. That should do it. So that's what we do. Well, I don't know if it's going to work, but it looks weird enough. I've used metal axles and I've put some super glue on the wheels to hold them onto the axles, because they were a sliding fit rather than a tight fit. So I'm waiting for the glue to dry and then we'll give it a run, see what happens. Well, that actually went better than I expected. I'll try that again. So it's the usual. I've just wrapped the rubber band over the back axle and over itself to hold itself in place. And we can wind it up. It's only three very thin rubber bands. Brilliant. Okay, can we hit the camera? I don't don't believe that. It just turned off to one side right at the very end. We'll have another go. We allowed too much for the curve that time. Again, overdid it. Okay, I'm going to run backwards. Excellent. Summary time, just a bit of Halloween fun. The wheels I printed quite a while ago for a different project, but they sort of seem to work nicely for this. Mask came from Poundland but cost me £2. Does have googly eyes, although they weren't really doing very much in that run. Metal axles, they're actually off of a coat hanger, which is why that one's got a bend in it. I wanted metal axles because otherwise they'd bend too much with the tension on there if they were my usual barbecue skewers. And paper straws just to space the wheels to stop them hitting the head or skull as they're spinning. That actually turned out better than I expected. That'll do. Another rubber band powered car.